Hey guys, good morning. How you doing? Whoops. Just wanted to update you guys. It does look like we are gonna have another push towards the upside. Maybe in the next, like I said before, I think by 1 o'clock in the afternoon we might see Bitcoin push to the upside. We're still overbought or overextended on the stochastic, and it does look like on BTC on the 4 hour, it does look like we might push hard towards the upside again. The last time we actually started creating not essentially a perfect buy-in, but an overbought buy-in on the Stoke and on the what is it called on the 4 hour when it was already overbought on the upside. We pushed not too hard, but we did push a little bit. Usually it was from, let me see, 43, 46. So it's pushing about $3,000 on average when it's overbought. So that's not overbought. Overbought might have been here on that jump from 46 all the way to 40. Yeah, it's about $3,000. Yeah, so if we stay around this range, basically trading sideways, I do think that once we do hit that bull trigger on the 4 hour for the upside, we might see a nice little push, about like $3,000 towards the upside. So if we have to do it from here, from 48,735, I mean, I don't know what the average is. We'll just do like 2 days, but a $3,000 push, 3,000, like $3 would take us somewhere around this range, right? Around a little bit over 50K. So I think after 1 p.m., we might see that 50K push on Bitcoin. As long as everything stays bullish, as long as we don't sell off randomly. Because keep in mind, we are in a perfect area right now on the daily to sell off, right? We're actually creating weak momentum on the bull side on the daily for Bitcoin. So keep in mind, we are overextended, overbought on the stochastic, and we can basically fall at any time right now. That's basically how it is. We can fall at any time because it's already, the trigger's already there. So I mean, we can technically fall anytime, but as of what I see right now, we can possibly see another $3,000 push towards the upside, and rallying maybe after 1 o'clock in the afternoon, closer to like a 50K Bitcoin. But I think as soon as we cross here, so the reverse MACD on the bottom here has to actually go like a little bit lower, like right here, have this cross actually happen, have a bull trigger, like these little red bubbles created, right? We have a bull trigger right there, and then we see another push towards the upside. So I think we might actually see another push, especially with the Stoke already being, the blue line wants to cross above that red line, or call it the fast or slow, the slow length, right? I don't want to confuse you guys too much, so I just say red and blue lines. But yeah, I mean, I can definitely see this happening or crossing over somewhere around 1 p.m., maybe a little bit after that. But it does look like if that does happen, we will, or not will, we can possibly, there's a high chance that we can possibly see a $3,000 push towards the upside, which would put it a little bit under $52,000 for Bitcoin. So just letting you know, just looking at Bitcoin, it does look like everything else is relatively going to be similar. Even right now on a smaller time frame, like the 1 hour, I can definitely see Bitcoin dropping a little bit lower down here to like the 48.7 level, possibly before rebounding back towards the upside. But again, I'm really only looking at higher time frames, and it does look like the 4 hour is going to be crossing over bullish to the upside. So I'm expecting maybe within the next 2-3 days for Bitcoin to hit 50K sometime this weekend, and for that rally to possibly start today, like around 1 p.m. So in about like 7, 8, so like 7, 12, like 6 more hours, possibly like 6 more hours. So we'll see. I'll see you guys later. Bye.